Halo semua, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang kembali di Anak Cerdas Depok. Salam sehat, salam semangat. Kali ini kita berada di Chapter 4, Unit 3, You Can Help, Reading Text. Video pembelajaran kali ini bertujuan mengidentifikasi ide pokok dan menemukan informasi rinci pada sebuah rangkaian peristiwa. Rangkaian peristiwa apa saja? Mari kita pelajari. Rangkaian peristiwa pada cuplikan tersebut dikemas dalam recount text. Oke, simak baik-baik. Let's start.
Melody and Isabel Wyson live in Bali. They spent their teenage years cleaning up the island from plastic. Melody and Isabel were only 12 and 10 years old when they decided to tackle plastic pollution. They found plastic everywhere in their everyday life. They saw it when they went to the rice fields and they went to the beaches. They were aware of this growing problems with plastic in places it should not be. They felt the urgency to protect the environment and the natural world. The sisters began a movement, an annual Island Up. The movement was for everyone in Bali. Early on Sunday morning, they carried megaphones and stood on the back of a flatbed truck. Thousands of children and teenagers with their parents came out to help. Volunteers from local restaurants and hotels also showed up. They collected trash at 115 places around the island. They picked up plastic trash on the beaches, the rivers and the street. The two sisters became local heroes and they won international acclaim for their awareness campaign.
Sekarang, mari kita bahas isi dari teks tadi. Cerita ini merupakan kisah dua orang bersaudara yang membantu membersihkan sampah plastik di tempat mereka tinggal. Pada kalimat pertama, memberikan informasi di mana dua bersaudara tadi tinggal. Di mana mereka tinggal? Pada paragraf kedua, kita memperoleh informasi kenapa mereka tackle the plastic pollution? Ya, karena mereka melihat sampah plastik di mana-mana. Di paragraf 3 di sini menjelaskan kalau mereka tadi aware terhadap plastic problem. Di paragraf keempat di sini mereka melakukan suatu movement, suatu gerakan. Apa saja gerakan mereka? They collected trash with volunteers on the beaches, rivers, and streets. Pada paragraf terakhir di situ merupakan resolution berupa command, di mana the two sisters became local heroes and won international acclaim for their clean up awareness campaign. Wow, sungguh keren ya aksi mereka. Bagaimana ya dengan kita? Okay, now this is the time for you to answer some questions from the text. Question number 1. How did Melody and Isabel spend their teenage years? Question number 2. Why did the two sisters decide to help clean up Bali? Ditanya why, jawabannya pasti because. Question number 3. What did they do to start the annual island cleanup? Question number 4. Who mostly joined the sisters in cleaning up the island? Siapa saja yang join? Question number 5. Where did they do the island clean up movement? Semoga cerita Melati dan Isabel tadi memberi inspirasi kepada kita. Terima kasih untuk subscribe dan like-nya. Sampai bertemu di video pembelajaran berikutnya.